I'm going to show you guys how to run Facebook ads for a skincare brand. So the most important aspect of anything is research. You have to do thorough research. You have to research what's working, what your competitors are doing, who your customers are. So that's like the first thing you have to do. So I'm gonna go through the screen. Let's go together. Check it out. Followers. So the first thing is just check if they're running ads. This is information about the business, about page transparency, and you can see here they're running ads. Yes, it was created 2019 October. So it's quite a reputable brand already. So what we can do is now we look at the ads they're running. They're running two ads, two people, South Sudan, one in Kenya. So I think this means they have either a social media manager or somebody. But then now we'll go to their Facebook ads library and look at the type of ads they're running. So they're running this ad. They're running this ad. This is Stella. She's one of the brand. She's the one here, and they have a connection through WhatsApp. Mid this year. Now, the first thing you have to do here when running ads is do research. How do you do the research? You look for similar brands in the shea butter or the skincare industry. So all you just do is by just now here, just search for shea butter. Shea butter. Look for what your competitors are running. What kind of ads are they running? You know, are their ads better than yours or are they similar? So you can see all these other people running shea butter ads, and all these shea butter brands. Here you see. So another thing you have to consider is when you're running ads is make them custom to the people you're targeting. Yeah, you have to make them custom to people you're targeting. So when I look at what the competitors are running, I'm trying to look for something I can replicate, something that I like. They're all in different types of languages. Anyway, these are more here. This is still more share butter ads with space this time. So when you're running ads, don't focus on the features. Focus on the benefit. What does the other person get out of it? What makes them happy? What do we want them to buy? You know, like this is really good. So effective and affordable. This will catch a person's attention. You see, yeah, I like this copy. You see, this is really good. This from Zambia. You see all these ads. So what you can do now is go ahead and try to replicate these things. After, okay, you can just copy this and then come to ChatGPT and ask it to. Use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your friend. You can use it to write copies for your brand. Share the that's the text. So I change it to focus in hot weather and people in Juba South Sudan. Yeah. You see now, the copy is really relatable. The copy beat the Juba heat. When somebody sees the word Juba, when they're scrolling, it will already make them stop and now try to understand why they're using this term. And then it highlighted parts like dry, dull, thirsty, all this, Dehydration, scorching heat, sun, soothing nourishment, glow that lasts. You see, now this is a copy worth of the environment that I would be interested in as well. Another thing, the second part is it's called audience. I don't know why this is taking so long, but you have to also choose your audience. Not everybody is your customer. You have to target specific people, and with Facebook ads, you can do that. You can target people that love skincare, like Rihanna's skincare brand, and all the other skincare brands that like on Facebook. You can target them. You can target people that are frequent travelers. This tells you these are people who have time to take care of their skin, who have money. You can target people that have certain phones. All these factors come in. Then after that, now you can go ahead and post your ad. Yeah, that was it for now.